Hey, Fiona Whitten from Oakville Crafts here. I thought I would share with you very briefly my pre-order that arrived yesterday from Stampin' Up. So I've just stuck my copy of the mini catalogue on the top there. I'm sorry I can't actually show what's in there, but hey, it's here. I've got my own, hooray! So these are the goodies that I have ordered. So we have the Joy of Noel. So this is actually a bundle. So this is the stamp set, and if I can find them, the dies are in here somewhere. Oh, no, I'll find them in a second. Root around. What else have I got? I've got the So Sincere stamp set. I liked this one because I actually quite like the happy birthday that is actually vertical rather than horizontal. And there's lots of different things you can use this for. So we've got someone who's so we've got feeling better, grateful, love, kindness, appreciated, thankful, proud, and the fact that it's also got different fonts for each of the sentiments. I mean, there are a couple that have just the one font, but hey, this is going to be something a bit different to use. We've got the Magical Meadow stamp set, so we've got trees, which are very sweet. So this is actually at, I don't know, oh, it's at 80%, so things are going to be a bit bigger than that. I've got the owls. So these are the winter owls, and they've got a die set as well. Magical Meadow, so that's going to be going with that stamp set, so that's a bundle. Christmas Classics. So again, it's nice because you've got happy, merry wishes, holidays, and to you and yours. So you can actually make up your own sentiment with that. So I can do a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas to you and yours, all sorts of things. So that's definitely a one that is going to be put to good use. Meadow Garden. It looks like that. So it's not just, although there's a Christmas sentiment in there, it's also got a sentiment for birthdays, best wishes, special days. So that could be anything. That could be wedding, it could be anniversary, special birthday, or whatever. So that's going to be quite useful. Wishes all around dies. Now that's going with, there should be another stamp set in here. This is odd. Am I missing a stamp set? Who knows? I'll find it in a minute, I'm hoping. Let's see. Got some, this is the garden walk paper. I'm not going to open everything up just yet because I haven't checked what I've got. I just want to make sure that it's all here. The Joy of Noel dies. You're going to love these. You really are. I mean, I saw them and thought, oh, yeah, definitely need those. I have, of course, got catalogues, so they will be going out soon. Some catalogues. What else do I have? I've got ribbons. Lots of different, I say lots, there's 3 lots of different ribbons here. So this is a bit similar to the other black and white ribbon that we have. So this is very vanilla, and it's actually a lot wider. The other one is quite thin, or narrow, I should say, in comparison. We have some Calypso Coral, which is going to go with the Merry Meadow things. This is a, let's see, silver and white. I think it's more of a sheer white. So that could be quite nice. Got some, so these are some new embellishments. So these are called Blooming Pearls. So we've got green, pink, gold. They're very shiny, which is nice. I also have a little pack of loose holly gems and sequins. Again, I'm not going to open them just yet because I want to make sure that I have everything. And I will, over the next couple of weeks, be sharing projects and going into more detail with what I've actually got. A new punch. So I've got an oval punch, a little bit different. This is some of the, let's see now, what's it called? Joyful 12 by 12 speciality paper. So if you can't quite see, but it's sort of gold. And again, there'll be different sheets in here. There are, what does it say? So I've got cherry cobbler and shaded spruce. So there's going to be, there will be 4 of each colour in there. And different designs. Then I have, oh, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? So I have some snowflakes. So this is from the Snowflake Magic paper again. It's foiled. So that's rather gorgeous. Lots of, oh, this is really, really pretty. So this is the Winter Meadow paper. That's just obviously one of the sheets. I've got some more of that one. Oh, I've got a few of those. Oh, and then last but not least, oh, look, there's 2 things. So I have some other embellishments. So these are called Faceted Gems Trio Pack. So there's 3 different colours in here. Does it actually say? No, I'm going to have to go and refer to the catalogue on for that. But it looks like there's like a Lost Lagoon, clear and silvers, what's in there. And then the last pack of paper is called, why do I always take these up upside down? You can tell I literally have just opened the box. Joy of Christmas. So this is going to be some of the paper that we're going to be using for the card and the cuppa, not the card and the cuppa, the Christmas stamper stack, which I'm holding in October. So more details will be coming out about that very soon, especially now that I've got all my bits and pieces. So, well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Just as I said, really wanted to share very quickly the goodies that I have, which you can see now that I've taken them out of the box. They're kind of just sitting there on the table. But anyway, not sure when I'll get this posted, but I will do it as soon as I can. So take care and speak to you soon. Bye.